What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a firework showcase and the 4th of July. And I know I'd never do videos like this, but today I'm going to be doing this. And I have my mom, my cousin's gone, and my cousin over here, Jordan, and Tony and Joseph. You guys might not be able to hear me because of all the fireworks, but I hope you guys enjoy this video anyways. Okay, I gotta back up for this. Fun fact, you always back up if you're doing fireworks. Whoa! Is that it? That was really it? Oh, that was it for that one.
Why are you recording?
Oh God. There's one. Stop it. Get out of the way. Whoa! 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 Whoa. Are there any other ones? No. I'll be right back when there is.
Hey, Doc!
Okay, I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna get over here actually. And the same thing happened to me. The same thing happened to me yesterday when I was trying to do this. Jordan, move! There we go. Get it right there. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Okay. Okay. There is a whole bunch of other fireworks going on. Yeah. It is so loud. They can probably even hear me.
Mommy,
I bet you can't.
do this one again. Please.
Oh.
That one I tried to attack us.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh God.
Do this one.
Let's do some.
That one.
What is that one?
That's the one that shoots at the big.
Whoa. Oh, okay. Okay. We're gonna be doing the original fireworks. Mom, are you excited for the fireworks?
Ecstatic, bro.
Ecstatic. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, you're gonna want to back up for this one.
No, I'm not.
I am. I don't want to die like last time. Oh God. Oh, whoa. Oh wait, never mind. It doesn't blow up. Oh wait, never mind. I stand corrected. Whoa!
Hey.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey, hey. That's a good one right there.
Perfect. Is it done? Is that it? Cool. I almost got that one.
Bro, don't shoot up.
That looks like a triple shooter. Oh, that's it? Nope, never mind.
I'm not gonna do it on YouTube. You can.
We're doing a new one.
Oh, you got enough another one?
Okay, run. Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Is that all? Please tell me that's all, because that was...
Got some fire going.
Oh! I'm a fireball!
No.
Well, we got another one right here.
Are they doing a fireworks show at the park?
I'm assuming they are, because there's a whole bunch of them going off over there. Whoop, I did not get that one.
Don't open it. You might open it wrong.
Yeah, leave it to your mom, Jordan.
Shut up.
Once again, more fireworks. Firework.
God.
Wait.
not that bad, actually. What was? Whoa! Never mind. I stand corrected. Okay. Okay. Again. This one shouldn't be the one that pops. Hopefully, I'm hoping. Is it? Yeah, they're the ones that pop. Hey, Jordan fell. Whoa. 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 One shot the other way completely.
Because it fell.
Oh, God. It fell? Oh, it did. Is that it? Is it done?
Hey, Jay, get away from me.
Okay. Okay, I'll get away. Special thanks to Jordan for these. Oh God, oh God. This one's gonna blow up, isn't it? Doesn't look like it's gonna blow up. Well, never mind, yeah it is. Stand corrected. It looks like the sun!
Really?
Really? That's a rip-off. That was a rip-off. The rip-off. Oh shoot, you can see that well right there. You can see that well right there.
What's up? What's up, everybody? This
Ignore him.
Bro, it's on pause, bro. Let me see that.
No, it's not. We got some other firework.
You're going to hurt yourself.
I'm planning. I want to do this one last. I want to do that one last. Shoot.
Wait, my leg got stuck in my.
I want to do this one last. Look it. I want to do the eagle. The eagle one last.
The eagle one.
This one looks like a good one to do. What do you think?
Run.
Oh shoot. Little stuck. It's gonna blow up. Whoa. Dang. Oh God! Whoa! Whoa! That was a surprise attack. There's more. I know it. No? No surprise attack? Nothing? Jack? No? Okay. Okay. It's that can right there. This one. Not that one. Not that one. This one.
This we're gonna do.
Yeah. And then the last one we're gonna do is the eagle. Eagle. Whoa.
No, we're saving the eagle one for last.
I know. I'm looking at you, eagle.
After this, we got to do this.
We're gonna do another one of the candles thingies or fireballs, whatever they're
I'm
called.
gonna do that one.
Bruh.
You're the cameraman.
Okay.
Chuka, lata, bibi, la.
Yeah, I don't know what he.
Lata. I'm around when it.
Are you trying to make up the new mini Mickey Mouse, whatever, freaking clubhouse theme? Because that's what it sounds like.
What are you going to do?
Blow up. Damn. 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 That is loud. That is some loud stuff. That is.
One for last go.
That is some loud stuff right there. Never use that one if you have sensitive ears, because you're gonna be screwed.
It's a whole box of crap.
I don't know what it is, but it looks cool.
The way that you lift it is right here. The box.
Oh, you open it.
Oh, it's a box. Looks like a box of cereal.
Wait.
Comment down below if it looks like a box of cereal.
Wait. You can't just rip it open like that. Dang, boy, you're ripping the whole box.
We got some other ones before we do the finale.
Mama, run. Mama,
This.
run.
I'm running back. I'm running back.
Come on,
I'm running back. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Mommy.
Yeah, nothing was loud.
That wasn't that loud. That was deadly. That's what that was. That was deadly. Okay, now I changed my mind. That looks like a game board. That looks like a game board. Cheese and rice. Dang, what is those?
Where did you guys get these ones at?
I don't know, but I love them.
Don't. We're saving this for last.
Dude,
For last.
chill.
For last.
Chill.
For last.
A grown woman fighting with a child. Whoa! Whoa! I didn't know she was lighting those! They look like shooting stars! I'm a popper! The heck was that? Did you throw a popper at me? Stop! What the Logan? He threw this at me.
Logan.
Choke it!
Bro, I just saw the thing.
Logan.
Okay.
Yes.
We got some
Work,
light on
they
them
go
now.
inside here.
Focus!
But I don't know who's gonna do this. I don't know if your mom wants to do this.
I know I do. I'm good with lighters.
I'm not. That's how you open it.
Like this goes
Okay.
inside.
Yes, it does. But wait, you gotta open it the right way.
Oh.
I know we're
I want to do this one. I want to do that one. That one looks. This one looks good. This one looks. Ow! This one's inside the game board box. Whoa! Whoa! You need to stop surprising me with those things. I hate myself.
Ow!
Oh god.
This one, Mom.
This
Let's
one.
just do this one.
We're gonna do that
I'm
one.
not holding that thing.
Okay, can we do these?
I mean, I just need your lighter.
These look boring. I don't even know what these do.
Those are the ones that go up in the sky, bro.
Oh god. Yeah, I don't feel like doing these ones no more. Whoa.
Those ones.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Whoa.
Fuck off.
Whoa.
That's gold.
Whoa.
I know.
Woo! That was crazy. Damn. That was crazy. Ow. I got in the head.
Stop hitting.
I got hit in the head.
Why? We need those.
What are those? Lightning! Okay.
Give Sarah the lighter.
I got a lighter. Cheers.
Is that it? Rip off. Well, that would suck that we barely even got any of that on camera. Meanwhile, my mom and Jordan are over here fighting.
Stop! Stop the camera.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! You tried to kill the camera? What did the camera ever do to you? Whoop! Jordan's going insane again. And don't forget to check out Jordan, Toad, and Joseph. Well, with the video on his channel. Go subscribe, and if we can hit 150k subscribers, then we will make a part 2 of Joseph's room. Whoa! Why do you don't know how to use a lighter? Whoa!
What are you using
Oh!
stop for?
It's gonna come back and fire us.
Whoa!
That is the part, Jay.
Jordan's over here shooting fireballs. He got some fireballs.
Right here. Set it down there.
He dork. What's the other one that you blew? Which one?
Wait.
Wait, which one? Which one's mine? Wait, did we light this one already? Whoa, 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 whoa. Gosh, dang.
Here, light it.
I'll be right back when we do some more.
Let me on fire.
The bag is on fire. The bag is on fire.
Oh my god.
Something caught it on fire. We gotta put it out with more bags. What lit it on fire? There's nothing in there that's still hot.
Yeah,
Oh,
it is.
up there. There we go. There it is. Looks like lava. It was this killer one. The one that almost killed us earlier before we did the video.
Stay away from it.
Stay away from me. Okay, we're gonna do this one. The 2 one that was in the box. Okay, we're gonna do it right here, Mom? I was planning on doing it down under there, but I changed my mind. I don't want to do that. Oh god. Oh god. The smoke is in my eyes. Okay. I know. Okay. Let's get this. What?
I don't know how many I'm gonna do of these because I don't like these.
Run. Oh, shit is right. Shit is right. Oh god. Oh god, that was insane. That was intense. We need to do a few more of those things. Shit. Come on. It's the 4th of July. We need to be able to say something. Well, 2nd attempt. Again.
Don't record me doing this shit, put it on the internet, asshole.
What we're doing it again. My mom told me not to record her.
Stop recording me now.
Okay, we're going away. Okay, I can't record her now. Oh shoot. Woo! Perfect! Capiche! Capiche! Oh god. Why you gotta hate me so much? So my mom told me not to record it, but I'm gonna get it anyways. This is the last one. Gotta get it from here.
Ain't no more.
Yes!
Okay, let's go. I'm scared. This is intense. I don't know why this is getting intense, but it is. Oh, it's coming. It's going. It's going. Woo! Happy 4th of July. That was a killer. Well, see you all next time.